My camera's really not, it's not wanting to, I'm not even in the frame. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting day because I'm going to start my first day of my second quarter of my MFA program. This video is sponsored by FOCALLURE. FOCALLURE is a makeup brand that has some of the most beautiful lines I've ever seen, from their blushes to their highlighters, their lip products, their eyeshadow products. I have not done my makeup in a really long time. I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna show you guys the products and try to create like a really fun look for today. And that's basically the entire video. I also obviously have a discount code for you guys to use with FOCALLURE in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Like this video, comment down below. So I already prepped my skin, I moisturized. I just need to put my hair back and then create a base layer. And then I'm gonna go in with all of the really cool products that I showed you guys in the intro. Okay, I've got my handy little bow hair tie to keep my bangs back. I'm just gonna start with primer and then the FOCALLURE body oil, shimmer body oil in the shade Firefly Forest. I like to put highlighter with my primer to create a really dewy, sparkly base for the rest of my makeup. And you don't really ever need too much. This is the primer I'm using, if you guys are interested. So I'll put primer just forehead and cheeks, and then I'll go ahead with my body shimmer oil. And this is pretty liquidy, so keep that in mind. And then I take my little primer brush and I just blend it into my skin like that. Okay, now that our base is done, I'm going on and in with my foundation. This is the foundation I use, but literally, it doesn't matter like what you're using for your base. All that matters is that I show you how gorgeous the FOCALLURE makeup line is. That's what I care about. And with foundation, I literally don't try to be too careful. I just try to keep it centered in my face, like kind of just in the middle, and I just blend it out with a brush because a sponge absorbs so much product as well as can collect a lot of bacteria and mold, and it's just prone to making you break out, and it's kind of gross, so I stick to a brush. After I blend my foundation in, it does make me look kind of pale, so I go in with a foundation powder. This one's from Bare Minerals, and I just like it to kind of, that was a lot, to mattify everything and to kind of color correct, because my foundation is kind of too light for me. And I just go in with a fluffy brush and I just kind of powder the whole face. But I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm face palette just to contour a little bit under my cheeks, and I bring it down into my jaw. But what I really want to show you guys is like the highlighters and the eyeshadows and the eyeliners. So I'm just gonna quickly finish my base and then I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite shades from the line that they sent me. This is my favorite highlighter shade right now. They sent me 4 of them. They're all gorgeous. I showed it in the intro. This is in the shade Riot, and it's this, it looks silver on camera, but it's very gold based. It's so shimmery, it's so warm, and I just take my little fan brush and I like to focus this like right here, and I just want to show you guys, like I like to mix them, and then you guys are gonna be like, holy shit, I put it like right, oh my gosh, can you guys see that? It's so gorgeous. And I just focus it like really on the highest points of my cheeks, just like that, and my nose, and also on my nostrils, the bridge, under my brow bone, on the tops of my brows, and my cupid's bow, and my chin. Okay, this is my favorite part. Their eyeshadows, I would say that these are honestly more glittery than the makeup that they used on the Euphoria set. This one is my favorite right now. It's in the shade Supernova. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a much closer look when I do this. But I'm using a pointed lip brush because I have hooded eyes and I want to be pretty exact. But this is what it looks like. It is like silver. It's, my hands are so sparkly because I put the body oil on my body, but it's just this literally gorgeous, like it's super creamy, so you really only need a little bit, and I just kind of like to put it, oh wow, you guys see that reflection? I mean, it's insane. Like it dries really fast too, so you don't have to worry about it creasing. Like I can open my eye and it's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna finish my eyes and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, look how creamy and how glittery. From afar you guys can like really see, it's just like, it's so stunning. The Supernova is like my favorite shade because it just is like very like disco glitter. It doesn't flake, it doesn't go anywhere, it dries really lovely, and it's just so beautiful in real life. And so I also want to show you guys the eyeliners, and then I'll finish my makeup and I'll show you guys the final look. So because it's January, I'm trying to keep the theme of the glam being like cold girl makeup, like that whole trend with like it, like you look chilly, the like the whites, the sparkles, the silvers, the glitter. This eyeliner is silver and it's in the shade Supersonic, and I just want to make a little wing in the silver shade and also put a little bit under the inner corner of my eye. I mean, I want to look like Jack Frost, like the female version of Jack Frost. Look at that wing, it's stunning. I also did it on the inner corners of my eyes. I mean, it's so beautiful. It is really like, the whole look is just like dazzling. That's a good word. I want to finish my makeup with like this very like nude sparkly lip gloss, and then like a very like mauve reddish blush to give that like really like cold girl makeup look vibe, and then that's gonna be like the whole look. This was so easy. This does not take long at all. I love using products that are good and pigmented and sparkly because you just don't have to focus too much on everything else because it's the star of the show. I had to put my furry headband on to really sell it, to really sell the look. This is Russian Bimbo. This is Glitter Queen. This is just, my bangs are kind of messed up. It's literally so freaking gorgeous. You can see it from a mile away. I am obsessed. I literally cannot wait to go to class just like this because I am incredibly extra and I'm fine with it. All of the information that you guys need to know is linked in my description box below. Please check out FOCALLURE. I love supporting small businesses, especially ones that do a really good job like this. I was really surprised, but this entire look was so easy. It's going to be really easy for you to replicate if you want to. And let me know what you guys think about the whole cold girl makeup trend, because I love it. I hope that you guys watched until the very end of this video. If you did, then thank you so much. It means everything to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias linked below. I love you guys so much, and check out FOCALLURE. Okay? Mwah. Bye.